morning. It's our last day in Orlando and we are packing up. Veronica's getting ready to go. Eli's getting ready to do. This might be the best day of our trip because we are headed to Hollywood Studios. So if you want to join us, we are thrilled to have you. God bless. You got waffles. Mickey waffles for breakfast. We're walking Hollywood Studios. That cafe, that little Java in the downstairs of the Swan was really great. It was only $6.50 for Mickey waffles. Probably the best price that we've seen.
Yeah. Besides at the other hotel where they were free.
Well, that's not a Disney hotel. Yeah. And we're walking.
That's filled, Mom.
If you see trash, we can unload the door.
You excited, Jake?
Yeah.
We walked over and did the little health screening before you come in, and now we are entering the park. The park was not busy. It seems a little crowded walking in, but it was really empty after we were inside. Into Galaxy's Edge, they did not have to wait at all. They basically walked on to Smuggler's Run. So that was really nice.
You're drinking your milk.
Oh yeah, now we're drinking
Welcome, right this way, my friends. Come closer, come closer. Ah, a brand new flight crew. Good luck to you all. You might need it. Today's flight takes you to the planet Corellia. You will precious cargo. Now get the move on and know that I have complete faith in you. But I am coming along with you just in case.
Let's have the seat buckle up quickly. We're going to take off soon.
For your safety, remain seated and supervise your legs.
Seatbelts go from the outside of the ship to the aisle, outside to the aisle. Once you're buckled, my pilot's pulling that yellow tab. Very nice. My gunner's pulling that yellow tab. Go ahead and press the plastic buttons. Activate your console.
Engineers. Automatic repair engaged.
Yeah.
Right, pilot. Push the flashing button to take off.
Flashing button.
Pilot on the left. Move your stick to fly right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right. Pull back on the stick to fly out. And push forward to fly out. Oh, what?
And on to Toy Story Mania. This is Luke's favorite ride and Eli's too, it turns out. They love Toy Story Mania and the way you get to shoot. It's a game aspect with a winner. The new line goes up through the former cast member stairs, so that was a little different. We haven't gone through this entryway and you can kind of see over the ride, so that was neat. But this is a great ride and we totally love it.
Everybody's ready to get in. Here's our cart. Do you like that popping gun? Whoa.
Please pull down on your lap bar.
Pull your lap bar down.
All the way down, buddy. a good time, guys.
Thank you.
You're clear to break play. Driver moving target.
That's my score.
Eli says this is his favorite ride.
It will be until we get to Mickey's Runaway Railway.
You think he'll like that one better?
Do you want to try the board?
We're experiencing the normal Florida rain all day. We're all in ponchos. Right, Dave? These ponchos are great though.
The line for Mickey's Runaway Railway seemed forever with the social distancing, but it really wasn't that bad. But it started stalling out, so we ended up waiting a very long time. Our 90-minute wait was definitely longer.
How many cars? Mickey's here. You see Mickey? Okay, we made it into the building.
Crazy.
Mickey's Runaway Railroad, who's ready?
Me.
Are you ready to ride Mickey's car? Great show to see.
Last meeting is Mickey and Minnie drove off to the park to enjoy it.
Here comes our train.
Testing. Is this thing on? Can you all hear me way back in the back? Welcome aboard, folks. We're ready for a relaxing ride around the park. Hey, Mick and Mia. Of course, bear with me. What could possibly go wrong? Oh, I've been working on the Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls.
Let's
Well, that concludes my guided tour. Hope you had a relaxing ride around the park, and thanks for sticking with me. Hey, picnickers! Told you nothing was gonna go wrong.
nothing can stop us now. I'm so we're finally making we can one place right now. By my side, the stars will
Did you love it? Did you love it, Luke?
with all our favorite friends in the starlight. You know it's gonna be a magical time. 'Cause it's a Disney. Keep on dancing and the fun will never stop. Everybody get up, with your hands from side to side.
Thoughts on the newest ride, Mickey's Runaway Railroad.
It was really cool.
What'd you think? We ordered our food and now gotta wait. Our pickup time is 1:30.
Actually ordered our food from Rhonda's Roasters and got the kids the chicken nuggets here through the app.
I don't want a bubble.
How's your Rhonda's
I want a ketchup.
Okay.
Hey, back up. Look at Donald.
It's your best friend, Mickey. Look, it's Mickey. Hi, Mickey.
He waits for you.
He loves you.
He looks.
We made it back.
I don't want to say that, Garuga.
So we're so glad you joined us. We left a little bit earlier. It is 3 o'clock because we want to get home and we have about a 3-hour ride home. What else was I supposed to say? We're gonna go home, we're gonna go pick up Maya. It was really rainy and wet. We still have some more time to go to Disney before the end of the year, so we're gonna go maybe once or twice more, and that'll be super fun. I think all the boys had a fun time. Did you guys have a fun time?
Yeah.
You guys had a fun time? We're gonna go home, pick up Maya, check on the chickens and the rabbit, and we're just gonna go home. It was a good end to our trip, and I'm so glad you joined us today.